Hello. Well, I got something in the mail today. What do you got here? Oh! Oh! Oh, we got this package here. Some tools. We get that. What is that? A sword? What is that? Big box. I think it's a chainsaw. So let me read some of this here. Okay, sent you a whole awesome peppers, Holzfforma, made in China. Is that what I asked for? I ain't cutting no bamboos. They got trees over there. Chainsaw from China. I don't remember that. So there, yeah, such and such. That's me, such and such. I'm not going to say my name on the internet because then, yeah, neighbors and whatnot find out I got some chainsaws. They probably want me to come over and cut their trees and whatever. Heard you were cutting all over Nova Scotia, Canada, blah, 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 blah. Well, yeah, that's what I used to do. Used to cut out those transmission lines all over the province here. And I cut through many counties. Geez, I don't know. I don't want to start counting counties. Quite a few counties, like 8, 9, 10 counties maybe. A lot of work. Anyways, we used to use a lot of steel chainsaws, and we had this one big one, one big saw. It was the what was that? 660. I do believe it was. Where's that book at? Yeah, it was a 660 still chainsaw, and everybody wanted to turn on that, and that thing was a powerhouse. That thing was, it was heavy, but it was a beast, and it always ran. And it was just a really good working, fine big saw. So I was looking for that, and they don't make them anymore, or whatever. They don't make them like the old saws that we used to use. So run into this company on the internet, and they make them, but they copycat from China, but they make it just exactly like the old saw, the old steel chainsaw. So thought I'd give one a try, and here it is anyway. So let's open it up, see what we got here. Seems like an awful big bar. I don't remember ordering such a big bar. I told them what I wanted, though. I told them that ain't no bar. Where's the bar in that? Gotta be a bar in there. Oh. Oh yeah, look at that. Holy jumping. What do they think we're cutting down here in Nova Scotia anyways? Giant sequoias? Just BC redwoods? What the heck? Anyways, there's a nice bar. It must be 30 inches or, well, yeah. Huh. Let's set that aside. Chain in there. Well, that's good. A bar without a chain. That, yeah. Send me a chain and everything. Holy jumping, look at the size of that goddamn thing. I don't remember them things being so big. Oh my god. Spikes on that. Look, I think I'm cutting with that. Holy jumping. Oh, that's a big saw. I don't remember that being so big. I know China, they duplicate everything, and they're getting really good at it. That certainly looks like the same saw, except for a different color. Can't wait to try it out. Hi, kitty, 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 kitty. You're interrupting my video, you know. Oh, you just want to get in that box. Oh, that's what cats do. Oh, you like the box. Anyways, about the saw, oh yeah, another feature of why, we'll get to that. Look, see my Christmas tree? Christmas was tough this year. I had to get a Charlie Brown tree. Not only that, I had to steal it from Charlie Brown. That's how tough Christmas this was. Anyways, let's get back to the saw here. Holzfforma, Holzfforma. That's going to be hard to, you know. What are you doing? Are you happy now? Yeah? You're silly, you know that? This ain't no silly cat videos. No, we're not doing silly cat videos today. Alright. You have fun in your box there. Alright, yes, there's something special about this saw. The reason why I got this saw. Let me just, I'm going to need a flashlight and maybe some glasses. I got to wear all kinds of glasses nowadays. I'm getting old. Let's see if I can see it here. This flashlight here. Alright. It should be. Don't want to wreck this new saw. There we go. Now. There it is right there. I don't know if you can see it. See, there's a little screw in there. See that? Well, even if you can't see it, I'm telling you it's there. Now what that does is I can increase the volume or decrease the volume of the oil. There's the symbol right on the bottom right there. Now what that'll do for me, of course you probably want to increase the volume anyways with the length of that blade. Holy jumping. I'm ready to cut down giant redwoods. Sequoias. Anyways. Here, I'll show you how smart that is. Let me see. Here. Right here. Still got the shovel. Still got the shovel. Some people will get that, and some people won't. Don't matter. I still think it's funny. Still got the shovel from that movie. Anyways, this here, the oiler, and I almost gave it away, but I'm not going to say why I want this. You're just going to have to watch some future videos. And, yeah, what's the specs on that anyways? It's like, I believe it's, yeah, 92 cc's of power. Now we're talking. This will cut down the giant sequoias, if need be, if I find any. Right, kitty? What are you doing? Right? Alright. Well, that's it. That's the Holzfforma G660 chainsaw. And I'm going to be cutting some big wood and other things that I'm not going to mention right now, and we'll see how it goes.